Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create revenue reports in HubSpot with ease. Revenue reporting is essential for tracking your business performance and making informed decisions about your sales strategy. So let's walk through how to set this up quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the main features and tools. Next, look over to the left navigation bar and click on the Reports tab. This is your central hub for all reporting and analytics within HubSpot. It's where you'll find everything from traffic analytics to sales performance data. When you click on Reports, the menu will expand to show you additional options. From that expanded menu, select Reports again. This takes you directly into the main reports library where you can view existing reports or create new ones from scratch. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Report. While you could click this to build a custom report, there's actually a much faster approach that I recommend. Instead of starting from zero, HubSpot offers pre-made report templates that are designed specifically for common business needs like revenue tracking. Look to the top left where you'll find a search bar, type in the type of report you want to produce, something like revenue or sales revenue, and hit enter. This pulls up all the relevant templates that match your search. What's great about this approach is that HubSpot provides various pre-made options based on the type of report you're looking for. Browse through these templates and you'll find options that already include the metrics, charts, and data visualizations most businesses need for revenue reporting. These templates save you significant time because they're built on best practices and common reporting standards. Once you've found a template that fits your needs, select it and you'll be able to modify it to match your specific requirements. You can adjust date ranges, add filters, change visualization types, or customize which data fields are displayed. This flexibility means you get a professional report that's tailored to your business without the hassle of building everything manually. After you've selected and modified your desired report to your satisfaction, simply click Save. Your revenue report is now ready to use, and you can access it anytime from your reports dashboard to track your business performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.